Hey YouTube, Simba01 here on Chili. I have some breaking news for you guys. For those of you that have bought into the Bauer 20 volt Hypermax lithium power cordless power tool line, you're going to be happy with what I'm about to share with you. We've all been waiting on this for so long, and it's finally arrived. So, not sponsored here, everything here is paid for out of pocket. Harbor Freight doesn't pay me anything, they haven't given me anything, nothing's free. I worked hard for everything. But anyway, we're all familiar with this 3 amp hour. I don't know if you guys can see that. 3 amp hour battery by Harbor Freight, Bauer. Well, I have got my hands on the 5 amp hour. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. 5 amp hour high capacity battery. Woo! Oh yeah, I can do a whole lot with that bad boy. Let me show that to you one more time. Oh yeah. Harbor Freight, thank you. Bauer, thank you. We finally got our hands on it. I'll put this in future videos so you guys can see how these tools react to this 5 amp hour battery as opposed to the 3. So that's 2 more amp hours that you get in that. I'm excited. Whew. Another new tool. Got my hands on the 4 volt cordless stapler. 40% more shots. 700 shots in one charge. Uses a 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2 inch staples. Check that out. We're gonna get into a review of this in future videos, but I must say, right out the gate, I haven't even opened this, but the grip, the overmold on this product, on this stapler, the overmold on this stapler has more grip than any of the Bauer tools that I've handled, the ones that I have. But I love it. If you guys can make more grips with this kind of texture, oh man, that'll make that so much better. And this particular item is not powered by your 20 volt batteries. This one is powered, it has a AC adapter, and it's USB rechargeable. So on one full charge, this is supposedly able to fire on one full charge, supposed to be able to fire 700 staples. I'm not into upholstery, but we'll see. I have some benches that I want to modify and do some practice work. I'll let you know how it turns out though. But man, oh man, I'm excited. The Bauer 5 amp hour battery has arrived. Thank you YouTube, thank you for watching. Thanks for the love and support. Those that are following me, if you like the video, share, like, and subscribe. Till the next video, Simba.